integration. Using this substitution, u equals cos x, find the area. Okay, so first of all, to find the area, we need to find the x-intercepts to find the limits of integration. So obviously this is 0 for the lower limit. For the upper limit, we don't know yet. We have to solve the function equals 0. So x-intercept is when the y equals 0. So this is the y. So from here, this is the y equals 0. We have a multiplication, so sine x equals 0 or cos 2x equals 0. So from sine x equals 0, we use inverse sine. We get x equals 0, which is impossible because obviously the x is not 0 here. So this is rejected. Now from cos 2x equals 0, this means 2x equals inverse cos 0, which is pi over 2. So the x is pi over 4. So that makes much more sense. This must be pi over 4. So we have the limits of integration. We integrate from 0 to pi over 4 of the function dx. Now when we integrate sine x times cos 2x, there's nothing we can do here. So that's why we have to use the substitution. U equals cos x. Just follow the instruction. So if the u is cos x, the du dx, the derivative, cos becomes minus sine in the MF19, so we have the du dx, and if you multiply both sides by dx, we get du equals when we swap here the dx and the minus sine x, so you get dx equals du over minus sine x. Okay, so make sure you know y here, and then we also gonna have to change the terminals. So 0 and pi over 4 are the values of x. We need to use u here. So if the x is pi over 4, the u is cos pi over 4, which is root 2 over 2. And if the x is 0, the u is cos x, so cos 0, which is 1. So that's why we change the limits of integration as well. Okay, so we are ready to substitute everything. We replace the 0 with 1, the pi over 4 with root 2 over 2 from here, and we replace the dx with du over minus sine x. And actually here we still have, so of course we cancel out sine x, but we still have cos 2x. So we cannot integrate if we still have x and u, so we have to make it everything in terms of u. So now we use the cos double angle formula in the MF19. We use the one using cos, so we replace cos 2x with 2 cos squared x minus 1 using the formula, and then remember that cos x is u, so this is actually u squared. Okay, so now everything is in u. We can integrate now. So we can start by distributing the minus times 2u squared, minus times minus 1, and then we integrate using the usual power rule. We bring the power down. We have u to the power of 3 divided by 3. That's how we integrate, and the integral of 1 is just u, and we plug in root 2 over 2, plug in 1, and simplify. So if we use a calculator, from this part you're gonna get root 2 over 6, and from this part it's just 2 over 3. Minus times minus is plus, minus times plus is minus. So we can use a calculator here. We're gonna get root 2 over 3. So actually here you can just use a calculator for the whole expression, and you're gonna get minus 1 plus root 2 all over 3. So that's the final answer. Alright, I'll see you again next time.